In this video guide, I will show you the preparations you need to make before driving the boat, how to master pulling away from the dock, how to drive a pontoon boat in open water, how to dock your pontoon boat safely, a pontoon boat is no more difficult to drive than a road vehicle. Before you attempt to drive the boat, make the appropriate preparations. Before moving off, be sure you have completed some simple safety steps. Let's look at how to start your pontoon boat and move off. Knowing how to dock your pontoon boat is just as important as moving off. For more detailed information, check out our website post.